I'll definitely use it. Like, I feel like this would be the purple I'm going for. Okay, that's a little lighter than I wanted. Maybe here. Oh yeah, like that's a beautiful. I don't know, I just feel I'm in a purple mood. They're really pretty. These are 7 mil, 8 mil, I apologize. Oh my god, look at that. That is a gorgeous color. So some of them have glitters. Oh my god, that's so pretty. That's gonna be a great like little accent now. Oh, so many ideas are flowing through my brain. I love that. Thank you so much, Emil. These are gorgeous. Again, these are UV LED, so you're going to need a light to cure that, but we don't have any issues because we have a little light. So it is all around a good 2 kits to grab together. You could definitely do your nails with it. I would just adjust 2 things. That is like a rose. It's like a smidge rose gold, but then it's like, it has a hue of a purple in it. That makes sense. That's a really, really nice color, especially this time of year. I think I just bought, I'm not even kidding you, which now I'm like, I just bought like a kit from Amazon for something similar to this color, but the whole kit because I wanted this color and I couldn't find it. It's very, very similar to that. I wish I opened up this earlier, because that's a gorgeous deep, deep purple. I know, guys, I apologize for my lighting. Nobody's complained about it yet, so I don't know if you guys are just happy that my videos are back out, or there is no issue with my lighting. But sorry for the sirens, live in the city. If there is an issue with the lighting, or if it's just me, but I feel like it's a little dark. I did order the Daylight brand lights, not the $300 ones. That's a little too out of my budget, but it was like a $100 light. Got it in yesterday, and is it not sent to me with just the charger or just like the adapter cord? Yeah, like somebody took out the light, but Amazon also sent it in their original packaging, not in Amazon package. So I was like, of course somebody's gonna thief that light, but they got a hold of them yesterday. They're sending me a new one, so I should get it on Tuesday. Today is Sunday, I'm filming this, so anyways, back to Emil. I apologize. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colors. I'm definitely using this for on my next set. I've been wanting to do purple with some like sweater and teddies. I don't know what it is, but I've just been in that vibe, and this is like the perfect collection. So literally I'm like sticking this in one of my what do you call it,